Hi guys, welcome back. I have a box. This is a purchase I made from Polish Pick, and this is the OPI Spring 2022 collection, but there are other things I bought, so I wanted to do a quick unboxing for you guys before I actually swatch this collection, which is going to be my next video. So when you buy a collection from Polish Pick, you get this booklet type of thing, which is whatever marketing they have for the collection, and a bunch of like all their shades and all of that. All right. I grabbed some nail art and things, but yeah. Hold on, let me show you the polishes right after. I'm gonna show you. This is a palette ring. This is fashion jewelry, but it's like a palette. You put it on your finger and you put the little drops of polish when you're doing nail art. Then I grabbed a bunch of glitter. Oh, this has a lot. I'm not gonna open it, but you guys can see, right? Oops, I'm off camera. So much beauty. Look at that. Wow. Love it. I've been looking at these butterflies for a long time. And then there's hearts. So nice. I didn't order this, but I guess it was a freebie, so that's nice. And I ordered some files because I wanted to try them out. These are $2.40, so they're good for the natural nail. Now let's start looking at the polishes. All right, first up we have, what are you? Pixel Dust. Ooh, shiny. Then we have Quest for Quartz. This is so pretty in person. Much better than on camera, actually. I think my white balance is off. Hold on, let me lock this up. Okay, that's better. So here are those two in a pretty good color accurate lighting. Oh, also when you buy a collection from them, you get this thing. And it broke, I guess, but that's fine because I have another one here. Just like this from a previous collection that I didn't use. But you get something like this, and you get stickers. What is this? A buffing block? I don't remember if I bought it or not. I grabbed a bunch of nail things that they had on sale, so whatever. All right, let's keep going. Ooh, I bought backup of my peel off base coat because the one I have, it's already like down here. Yeah, I bought two. Forgot about that. All right, so from the collection, Trading Paint, Racing for Pinks. Oh, this is gorgeous. What is this? Susie is my avatar. This is beautiful. I die for shades like these. Heart and Console. Oh my God, such good names. Heart and, can you see? No, can you see? Yeah, there you go. Beautiful. Achievement unlocked. Gorgeous. Can't control me. It has a little shimmer pearly finish type of thing going on. Newberry. Well, it's like noob. Like a newbie in a game. In gaming world, you call them noobs. So this is like Newberry. Pretty clever little name. You had me a Halo. I never played Halo, actually. I am a gamer, for those of you that don't know me. But I never played Halo. Sage Simulation. Love this. Very springy. The pass is always greener, which, you know, for a lot of games, you have to have gaming passes. So all the names are pretty cute. Let me see if I bought anything else. Ah, yes, I bought some Valentine stickers. And I think they have transparent background. Yep, they're not white, they're transparent, which is gonna be great for nail art. Yes, look at that. Haha. So cute. All right, let me put this back in there. And I want to show you guys real quick a couple bottle shots. I mean, I will be doing a review of that collection, of course, but couple things came to mind. But also, yeah, here are the stickers that you get when you buy a collection. And like I said, you get one of these things. I have another one because I've been just using these stickers on my actual swatch stick, so. All right, so the new one, which is the past is always greener, looks way too close to How Does Your Zen Garden Grow from Tokyo Spring 2019, I think it was. We'll be doing comparisons, of course. Maybe this one's a tad greener and this one's more yellow. Yeah, I don't know. All right, this new one, which is Newberry, whatever, is very close to Violet Visionary. Kind of just released last year in 2021. Now, this new one called Heart and Console is like an in-between these two. I think these were, what, like summer 2021? The PCH Love Song and Strawberry Waves Forever. The new one is like in between. Look at that. It's too orange to be this one and too pink to be this one. So like an in between these two. Let me see. Can't Control Me gave me huge Bikini Sotini vibes because it's more blue, but you get that same kind of like dewy, pearly shimmery thing going on, and you know, similar enough that it reminded me of it. And then I wanted to show you guys these three because they're like a really nice kind of ombre thing, orange and then more salmony and then pink. I think this one's my favorite of the three. So beautiful. I love this. This new one, Quest for Quartz, reminded me of From Dusk Till Dawn. More pink, dusty pink, or maybe like vintage rose. This one's beige. And the flakies on this one are blue, and these ones seem to be silver, but definitely similar vibe. Also, I almost forgot. I thought about it and then forgot and then remember. Can't Control Me also gave me vibes of this one. Actually, it was this one. What am I doing? Not Can't Control Me. This Sage Simulation reminded me of this Essie, which is called Make a Splash. And it also reminds me of Zoya Fern. Let me bring it. Okay, I was like very, very off. But kind of, but not really. Like this was like a dusty blue with like some green undertones in there, sea foamy. And this one's more green, you know. But they do have that golden pearly, I don't know. I'm way off in the color, but it just reminded me of this type of polish. And then I can't think of anything right now. It's like these two. So I'll look later. All right, so this new color called Achievement Unlocked next to Graffiti Sweetie. This one has more purple, and this was, what is it, more muted, you know? But definitely close. And then I grabbed a couple of older OPIs. I have to shake them, you guys. They've been sitting there for a long time. So here is the new one next to Poly One, a lacquer. More purple, more white based. Next to You Are Such a Budapest. This one has a little shimmery thing. You can see it in some lights. This is way more blue than this one. More pink, more blue. And this one, Seven Wonders of OPI, has been sitting there. Let me see if we can. This has definitely changed colors for me. This used to be more purple, like down here, but maybe I have to shake it, so ignore this for now. And then from the new Achievement Unlocked, compared to Spring Into Action from the Nature Strong line, this one's more purple, leans more pink when put next to this one. Again, the new pink Racing for Pinks next to Mod About You. Way more white base than this one, but similar families. You know, like the tone of pink is similar, but this one's just lighter. And then same new pink compared to Pink on Canvas from, what was this, fall 2021. Lighter and more dusty. This one feels more springy for sure. All right, guys, so there you have it. Not it, them. I'll be working on the swatches and full review because I haven't even opened them. And that'll be my next video. So if you're watching this one, stay tuned because my next upload will be a review of this collection. Thank you guys for coming to this impromptu unboxing / bottle shot comparison, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. And excuse my hand because I'm testing some stuff. So it's kind of like I've been wearing this for like 11, 12 days. So things are looking rough. Bye.